Happy New Year. As we close out 2022, I just wanted to say hi. Wow, another year has passed us through. My name's Tammy Shaw Sykes. When many of you met me was back in 2006. Yeah, yes, I have been the Twin Cities Nightlife and Active Life organizer for over 16 years and looking forward to continuing on. I've learned a lot. I used to work a full-time job when you guys met me. Many of you met me on a dance floor, some for cards, some for potlucks, some for Christmas Eve dinners. Life is about transitioning, changing, and growing. Yes, and at least 70 of you came to my backyard party, which was a graduation party only to find that I had started a business on health and wellness. Because 20 years ago, I wouldn't have been able to shake your hand. But it's not about me. It's about 2023. It's about you. It's about the growth of Twin Cities Nightlife. It is an honor. Wow. One person had an idea. 10 people showed up on that very first meetup. 8 of those people, 6 years later, came to my wedding. That and about a couple hundred other people. Yes, it's the only wedding that ever got put up on Meetup, because that's where we met. Not for everybody. Only the strong survived that one, being that public. But it's about building. Twin Cities Nightlife has always been about building community. When Scott Heffernan started this, he and a couple of other friends, they were techies. And the World Trade Center went down. And he thought, I don't know my neighbors. In New York, he was only a couple of blocks away. And he thought, never again. Meaning online to meet offline has been the concept of what Meetup has been. So yes, I will tell you, as an organizer of 2020, that was not a great year. But I learned how to do a lot of things offline. Some of it I kept pretty private. Some of it was a lot of learning and knowledge and studying and having growth and opportunity. It's Minnesota. It is what it is. So I'm looking forward to more online and offline opportunity to build that community. Because we've got roads, we've got blizzards, we've got temperatures, we've got heat. But I still want to be able to build a community together. So 2023 for Twin Cities Nightlife and Active Life, I'm looking forward to meeting you. Whether it's face-to-face and via Zoom, which is now an opportunity. Yes, I've even played bingo over Zoom. And you could throw a hell of a dance party over Zoom. Who knows? I might even give that one a try. And not just be a participant, but actually do it. Check that one off. So yeah, we can all do things alone. But we're better together. We have more fun together. So I want us to really take this time to not just look at the event and go, but I want you to be a part. Whether it's an activity, take time to really be part of a group this year. Be part of that community as we build this community that's been building from, like I said, we just had a few people at that very first meetup to now over 7,000. We've had weddings. We've had celebrations of life through birth. We've even said goodbye. It's been an amazing journey of building those friendships and having some people close to our hearts. So Chris and I will still be hosting volleyball. But in addition to that, we're all also going to be having book club, as well as even a tea party. And I'll also be hosting monthly Zoom health and wellness workshops that I hope you take the opportunity, because I took a lot of time and effort to go into these, but we're always going to grow older. But we can do better. So I want us to take the time. So I know that we've got awesome assistant organizers and event organizers out there that are doing dominoes, volleyball, karaoke's. Find something that you really like. Maybe you haven't tried before. Be part of our community. And if you see something that maybe that doesn't fit with me, maybe I'd like to try something this. So just send me an email. You might be better off texting me. Text me for my email. And because sometimes I don't check through the Meetup directly, so I sometimes miss those. They keep changing things, but apparently now I even have an organizer opportunity, an organizer app that will have a better opportunity of communicating and connecting with people. But I really want our 2022, we've had so many meetups, so many opportunities, so many friendships that have been built. But for 2023, I hope that you stop in, be a part, that we can do better, to help to grow together, to grow stronger together, and stay healthy. My husband isn't here. That's okay. You'll know him as Chris Sykes, but it is an honor for both of us to be. I've been serving you since, like I said, 2006. So it is an honor and a privilege. And yes, it is also a volunteer opportunity. So, be nice to your organizers, support them. When you go to something, ask, what can I do to help? How can I best help you to engage with people so that we know that we're doing it? We can all help each other. Little bit of help goes a long way, so our event organizers don't get burned out too. Bring your smile, bring your warm hearts, and I look forward to seeing you in 2023. Thank you.